Guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we got March out of the way, so we're done with March now. So let's do a monthly review of March. Okay guys, jumping into the account here, we're gonna switch this from March 1st to March 30th. Okay, so March 1st through March 31st, we're just gonna search here. Okay, so for the month of March, we have a total proceeds of $1675.09. A cost basis of $1,430.65. We have a total gain of $244.44. That's a 14.89% gain. And remember guys, this is unrealized, so it's only showing once something, if you buy something in a certain month and if you sell it in another month, it's not going to be recorded in the current month in which you bought it. It'll only be recorded once you sell it. So that kind of takes a little bit to get used to, but that's basically how Charles Schwab calculates it. So jumping over to our sheet, we have our proceeds $1675.09, cost basis $1430.65, a gain of $244.44, and this is the decimals in there, 14.89% return, and the account balance is currently sitting at a total of $15,571.71. So updating that total $15,571.71. Remember, we did make our contribution for this year of $6,000. So that's why we see the big jump here. So currently still 14.89% for last month. Is not bad. It looks like we're averaging about 13.9%. So again, not bad. Biggest thing is that we keep moving forward. And looking back at the chart here, we're trending in the right direction. So guys, I just want to say, and I know I say this a lot, but it's all about creating a goal. You gotta give yourself a goal, whether that goal is 5,000, 1,000, 50,000, a million. You set yourself a goal and you start seeing these little baby steps as you work towards that goal. You know, it's basically laying one brick at a time. That's how you reach it. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. Do your own thing, work towards your own goal, and as long as you keep moving in the right direction, you'll eventually reach that goal. Again guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.